to say a few words and then raise the flag.
Well, good morning all.
Morning.
We are gathered here today to celebrate Kashmir Day. The borough of Rochdale, like many towns and cities in the UK, hosts over 10,000 people of Kashmiri heritage. Over the last 50 years, Kashmiri contribution to the borough of Rochdale has been tremendous and needs recording. People of formerly princely state of Jammu and Kashmir started arriving in the UK and in Rochdale after the Second World War. Many had served with the British Army in the Second World War on the front in Africa and in Europe. Many Kashmiri families lost kith and kin along with our own. In Rochdale over the decades, we have witnessed first generation Kashmiris working in the textile industry in some trying circumstances, and second and third generations progressing through business, education and on to better jobs and lives which encourages others to learn and train. As leader of the council, I'm very proud to have 7 elected members of my group who are of Kashmir origin, and I'm sure in the years to come we will see more. Kashmiris are very proud Rochdalians with a unique culture which makes Rochdale much richer in its diversity. Rochdale Council therefore took the decision 12 months ago to include the recording of Kashmiris at all levels. Now can I ask you if you will join me in formally starting the day with the raising of the flag for Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck for your aspirations. Never let your aspirations die. Keep fighting.